Hey guys, how are you doing? Do you know that you can easily use your phone or laptop to earn online? Just find a spot where there isn't much disturbance, start typing, save your work, and then submit. Just like that, you have made $30 to $75, and you can do this repeatedly every single day. And from any part of the world, keep in mind that in order to actually make money like this, you need to stay tuned with us and watch the whole video, and then follow step by step, because we're going to teach you everything we know. The sign-up process is 100% free, and you won't need any writing skills whatsoever. Even copying and pasting is acceptable if you are too tired to type on your own. Now, somewhere along with this video, we are going to share with you another bonus tip website, which is going to pay you twice as much as the first website, but for doing the exact same things, and this is insane cause not a lot of people know about this. And this might be your lucky day. Definitely try to stay around till the end of this video to get all of our special and effective tips, as well as the bonus website that we mentioned a few seconds ago. Before you get right into today's video, if it is your first time into the channel, welcome to Earn Online, where we share various tips and tricks to earn money online, so that you can try them out yourself and start making your own money online. If you want to be a part of this channel, then subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of our videos. Now, let us get right into the video. So like we said earlier, we are going to be teaching you the step-by-step process to actually make this method work. First, we are going to need you to go to your mobile phones or your laptops. If you are going to choose to work from your smartphone, then it's best to note that this method works on both Android or iOS, so you have nothing to worry about here. For this video, we are going to be on our laptop and then on our browser. Now, we want you to start by typing in typingtest.com, and on this website, we are going to have you complete a 60-second typing test. Keep in mind that you need to follow everything that we tell you to follow so that you do it correctly. Now, we want you to click here on Typing Test, and as you can see here, it says check your typing skills in a minute. Type away to join 150 million plus test takers. If you go over here, you can choose how long you want your typing test to be. So you can choose from 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 minutes of test duration. If you go over here, you can choose what type of typing test you want to take. So you can again choose from easy, medium, hard, benchmark, tricky spellings, blind typing, story typing, themed or professional. Now, we want you to choose 1 minute and then easy test, and then we want you to click right here on Start Test. You will now see this page where the test that you are going to have to complete will be shown on the screen. You can actually immediately start typing just below the text, which you are supposed to follow, and on the upper left you will see the timer left 1 minute. As well, you will also find that there are 2 modes, the normal mode and the pro mode. Since we are taking this as an example, we want you to just choose the normal mode. So as soon as you start typing in, the timer will start ticking, and you will have to type as many words as you can and finish the whole text in 1 whole minute. We will show you how it's done. Then you can see that once your time is up, it will start analyzing your results, and now you can see your best scores, you can see your typing speed, your accuracy, as well as your net speed. You can also see pretty much your level as an average typist too, which is pretty cool. Now that you are done with that, we want you to go to typing courses in this part of the website. They offer free lessons as training so you can improve your typing skill. You might be confused at this point, but you will need this for the website that we are going to show you later on this video. Because your method of making money for the coming website will be typing, so this typing test is a very crucial part. Again, all of these lessons are free, so we highly encourage that you take these lessons before proceeding to the actual money-making website, because the faster you can type, the more money you can make. Let's just get right into today's money-making websites. These websites are available worldwide, so you don't have to worry about not being able to join. Also, if you just want to use your mobile phone, that is absolutely doable. There are no hindrances to this work at all. Anyone and everyone can do it. Our first website is called Rev.com. Just type in Rev.com on your browser and hit enter. You can see you will be directed here on this page. You can see their methods are transcription, where you can earn $1.25 per minute, and this position will require you to convert audio or video to text, which is what transcription means. The next option is captions, which also pays $1.25 per minute, but here all you need to do is to caption videos that you will be assigned to. And the last one, foreign subtitle, which will pay you $3 to $7 per minute. And for this part, you are going to need to translate videos with foreign subtitles. Obviously, the last one pays more because it's harder than the first two that were mentioned. If you scroll down, you will read all of the information right here, which will be very useful. So we suggest that you read all of this when you visit the site. Now we need you to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and find the Become a Freelancer button, then go ahead and click that. You can see Rev claims that you can create a flexible schedule. You can choose from hundreds of jobs and you can get paid weekly. Now all you have to do is to fill up this sign-up form. Just enter your first name, last name, email, the position you are going to apply for, based on the position that you are comfortable with. Then select your country and then go ahead and click the next button to get started. So just imagine earning $1.25 per minute. Let's do a little math. So if the usual duration of a video transcription is around 3 to 4 minutes, you can actually make $4 to $5 for just one video. And if you can transcribe a minimum of 5 videos per day, then you can make up to $25 per day. But if you can make more of them, you can earn much more and you are going to make some decent money. And all you need to do for that is transcribe it. So here, you can make money in 3 easy steps. Take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality and expectations. And then if you are approved, you will be able to register and start earning right away. And that is it for this website right here. Make sure to try this website and let us know how it goes for you. Our next website is going to be transcribeme.com. This is how it is going to look when you go on the page. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see that they do data imitation, transcription, translation, and AI datasets. If you scroll down a little more, you will see more information about the website and its services or offers. Now the process to sign up is pretty simple, and don't worry, this website works no matter which part of the world you are from. You will be able to apply and earn money. Anyway, we want you to click here where it says Jobs, and this is going to redirect you to this page, which is the sign-up page. Now, just sit tight and fill up the required information, and you are gonna come across this section here, which says Transcription Languages. Here you are going to select the language that you are going to transcribe into. And once you are all done filling everything up, hit Create a Profile, and that's it, you are in. So a typing test that we talked about previously in this video plays a crucial role in this, because for both Rev and TranscribeMe, you will be made to submit your typing test results, and they have a standard for this, which you actually need to pass to earn money online, or else you will be rejected. So keep in mind that before anything else you need to take the typing test first. Maybe practice a little or take the test more than one time so that you can get the highest possible speed, enough for you to pass your application. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to leave a like down below to show your support, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so that you never miss our online money-making videos, because we will return again next week with more online money-making tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you in the next one.